Welcome back, guys. I'm here with Unice Hair once again. So this is today's packaging. It's like a double box package. So as I open it, I see the wig first, which we're about to get into. But before we get into that, I got some goodies. As you guys know, I got the branded drawstring bag. I got a edge brush and comb, and they sent an extra head. I also got a branded Unice elastic headband, and then finally I got a pair of HD wig caps. That's everything for goodies today. So the wig that we're working with today is a real scalp loose wave curtain bag wig, and it's a 13 by 4 HD lace front. It's 150% in density. All right, so this is just what came inside of it. I love that they left the rollers in there, to just emphasize that curtain bang vibe. You don't need any wig cap for this specific kind of wig, because this part here within the lace front mimics like a real scalp. All right, so I absolutely love that. All right, with this, it's basically a mono mesh that is attached, and it helps with not having to wear HD wig cap, and no lace tint is needed, and you can achieve a true scalp effect with this as is. So I love that. The inside of the cap look like this. It's also a drawstring wig construction, so a drawstring definitely makes everything more secure. It has two knobs, so the first one you can go ahead and adjust how tight you want it to be, and the smaller one is what you use to lock that in place and make it very secure. Okay, there are actually adjustable straps in the back of the cap, and there is just one comb in the back and a adjustable strap inside as well. This is a medium cap, and I absolutely love the construction. So you see how that looks like real scalp? I love that. The hair is really soft and silky, and of course, guys, this is glueless. Okay, they also did send some lace tapes in here, so you can use that for your glueless installation if you don't want to just pull it on. You probably want extra security as well, but this is gorgeous. So you know what, let's go ahead and jump into this very easy beginner friendly wig installation. Okay, so once I slip it on, this is how it looks. Now before I'm gonna just go ahead and take out that. I'm gonna finesse these bangs a little bit more in a few, but I absolutely love this so far. Look at that melt, like without any product right off the bat. Where's the lace? That's so gorgeous. That is stunning. I'm gonna go ahead and attach the sides with the tapes. Don't need it for the rest of the hairline because it's already so snugged, and you're gonna see once I tighten the drawstring portion, it's gonna be even more snugged. So I don't need to necessarily apply tapes along here. Quite discreet, so you just want to go ahead, press that in, and that's all you need. So just press that in. That's perfect. So look at that. Absolutely no adhesive in those areas. So now for the curtain bangs, bring some to the front here and kind of just lightly cut it down, just so that we have more of that fringed vibe. Oh, Jesus Christ! Oh, underneath for chilling now. See, I gave you faith, turned you down in the whole bed. Can't deny it. Guys, look at that. You could go ahead and do different styles with this, part it anywhere. It is giving scalp. Perfection. Like, that is just so nice. Lovely. So feel free to go ahead and switch up your style, even if you know, decide to go ahead and do something different from just, you know, a curtain bang vibe. You know, feel free, because this type of lace is superior. Unice really did it with this lace construction. I would definitely recommend. So now I want to go ahead and do, like, you know, like a nice half up half down look, just to give you guys, like, you know, style suggestions and stuff. But this is basically look one. So, you know, very nice fringed vibe going on here. So yeah, you don't have to do it. You could just keep it solely with the bangs here. So it all depends on the look that you're going for. I'm gonna pull it from here because I still want like that bang vibe going, the curtain bang vibe. So I'm just gonna, I want it to have like that nice messy effortless look. So I'm just gonna take some from like the mid portion here.
Just a minute. See, I gave you faith, turned you down and holding. Can't deny it. Now I'm all alone and my joys turn a moment. Tell me, where are you now that I need you? Where are you now that I need you?
Guys, this is so cute. Yeah, this is a very fun look, absolutely. And then I can't get over how silky and soft the hair is. There is minimal shedding, so do take note of that, but it's really not a lot. It is not a lot, so I'm not mad at that at all. And it's really easy to manage, really easy to style. Like, yeah, they definitely did their thing. Now I almost forgot, but let me go ahead and show you guys how to secure the drawstring in the back. I've been doing all of this, but let me show you guys. And you see, it's been so secure on my head. Literally, you just want to stick the comb in the back within your hair, and then you take the drawstring. You take the first knob and adjust it to where you want it to be, how tight you want it to be. And then you take the second knob and you slide that down to lock it in place. Then you take the string and you just put it beneath your cap. And that's it. Now let's do a shake test. It's not going nowhere, okay? Perfectly secured on the head, and anybody can do this. It's perfect for all the beginners. Guys, what? This is so cute. This is so cute. All I have is a clip in the back here. Come on. Yeah, Unice did it. They did it with this one. It is perfection. I love it. 10 out of 10. 20 out of 10 would highly recommend. It is everything. Worth every single penny that is going for her. Okay? Like, you don't have to think about it twice. This is the wig for you. If you're looking for a bomb, you know, curtain bang glueless wig with a very realistic look, like, look at that. You can't tell me it's not growing from my scalp. And you could pretty much, if you don't want to do the curtain bang vibe, you could pull this all the way back. Look at that transformation. Like, it's such a versatile wig. So they definitely did that. Like, it is gorgeous. 10 out of 10, highly recommend. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. The direct link to this wig will be in my description box, so if you guys are interested in getting this for yourself, go ahead and check down below for all the necessary information. Even the specifications will be listed. If there are any discount code, any sale available, that will also be down there, so go ahead, check that out. That's it for today's wig look. I love it. yeah, that's it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and big up on yourself.